Good day to all. I'm on a ship and want to make a video, a short video. But I know a topic which I'm going to put today in the video is not a very brilliant topic, but it was in my mind. So I want to let it go through this video through YouTube to the world. My question is, as I told you, I am on a ship. I have a seagull on board. I will zoom my camera and show you. Wind is too much. You can see. This is the forward mast. We call it forward mast. There are around 15 to 20 seagulls are sitting there. These seagulls are not belongs to this ship. Whole day to the left side or to the right side of the ship, port side or starboard side, they keep flying, catching the fish, and again come on board, have a rest, and again doing same thing throughout the day. When I was a kid, I am from India, a district Gurdaspur, a Punjab state. In my village area, near to that, there is a river. That river name is a Ravi river. So during evening time, when same like seagull type, birds are flying from my house towards somewhere else, I used to ask to my mother and father where they are going. So my mother and father tell me that they are comes from somewhere else to the Ravi river. They catch fish, eat to survive, and during evening time they go to their permanent house. Now my question arises, seagull on board, why they don't have a permanent house? Why they are not going? They are staying on a ship for 1 day or 2 days, and after that they disappear. If they have a permanent house, they should go during evening time, during the dark time, but they are not going. And let me tell you, these seagulls are not belongs to this ship also. They are not belongs to this ship. So my question is very simple, that why these seagulls don't have a permanent house. Just I want to ask to the person who have done a PhD, a doctorate on this particular topic, or still those who are doing research, I want them to put this topic in your research, why it is like this. Every bird must go to their original house during evening time. Let it be they stay there on the branches, on the some tree, on the house corner, or anywhere else, but they should go during evening time. But these seagulls are not going. So I'm on a ship, as I told you. Let me show you. This ship is very huge. From where I am standing, that is called, we call it a forward mast. What do we call it? Forward mast. You see, from where I am standing. Okay. So how many container here? From here where I am standing, it is not container, distance 127 meter. 127 meter from here to the forward mast. And if I rotate my camera, let me rotate. This is the control room. This is the bridge from where we are controlling. Whole ship is being controlled from here. And on top of it, ship name came, no problem, hardly matter. Let me, it's okay now. Radars are going on. This is the main mast. And if I rotate, as I told you, towards my aft of the ship, You can see there is a smoke, that is the main engine and generator going on. So there are so many other also incinerator, boilers that also have a funnel. So from here forward I told you 127 meter, and from here to my aft it is a 175 meter. So if you include both it will be a 300 meter. So 300 meter I can tell you. You see I'm very on top of the ship, and I come by the elevator. Elevator is there inside the accommodation. So total container coming now, let me tell you, 10000 at 10,000 plus. So let me show you one time more, and this is the total. And let me tell you one thing, and this bird, seagull bird, will stay here only in my ship only, because let me rotate my camera 360 degree and show you that around my ship no other ship is visible. No other ship is visible, so I can say they maybe go to another ship. No, not like this, not at all. This is not. They are staying on a ship and not belongs to the ship, but they stay 2 days, 3 days, and then they disappear. Now I again come to the 0 degree from where I started, and seagull still sitting there, and it will remain there during evening time, and tomorrow morning again they will start their things, catch the fish, eat, relax on the ship, and that's all. Simple question: why seagull don't have a house, permanent house? And another is I show you the huge ship, 300 meter, 10,000 container, and that's all. It is just an information video only. And thank you watching my video. Let me show my face. I am standing here. Thank you very much for watching my video, and that's all. All right, have a nice time. Bye bye.